Hi, I'm Jennifer Sari with the National Weather Service, and I'm joined by Gary Crook from the Alabama Institute for the Deaf and Blind. When it comes to winter weather, being prepared with a safety kit can be the difference between a storm being an inconvenience or worse. You'll want to be sure to have a kit for both your home and vehicle. You'll need to be prepared in advance in case you encounter hazardous winter weather while traveling. Have your fully stocked safety kit in the vehicle and keep a full tank of gas. Customize the kit to best suit your needs, but a few basic items to include are extra clothing and blankets, water and snacks, a cell phone charger, jumper cables, and a snow brush. Be sure to check your engine, battery, and fluid levels before hitting the road. And remember, take it slow in the ice and snow. What if you are at home and become cut off from basic services? Customize your kit to include what you need, but be sure to include basics like water, snacks, and ways to stay warm. Don't forget about supplies for pets, and make sure carbon monoxide detectors are working.